The hunter's moon, traditionally following the harvest moon, has long been revered across cultures as a time of preparation, introspection, and powerful manifestation. But why does this particular moon hold such spiritual weight? And how can we harness its energy to bring our dreams into reality? In our last video, we unveiled the powerful energies of the approaching hunter's moon. On October 17th, 2024, we explored its astrological significance, the intense energy shift it brings, and how to prepare ourselves physically and emotionally. Today, we're diving deeper into the spiritual meaning of this extraordinary lunar event and exploring powerful rituals to harness its transformative energy. As we discussed before, this hunter's moon in Aries is not just any full moon. It's a celestial powerhouse poised to catalyze profound changes in our lives. Remember the metaphor of the cosmic forge we talked about? Today, we're going to learn how to be the skilled blacksmiths of our own destinies, using the heat of this lunar fire to shape our intentions into reality. To truly harness the power of this moon, we must first understand its deep spiritual roots. In many Native American traditions, the hunter's moon was seen as a time of crucial preparation. The Algonquin people, for instance, used this moonlight not only for practical hunting, but also for spiritual communion with the land and animals. They understood that true preparation involves both the physical and the spiritual realms. As we approach this moon, ask yourself, how can I honor this tradition of holistic preparation in my own life? Consider how you can prepare both your physical space and your inner landscape for the transformative energy of this hunter's moon. Perhaps it's clearing out your living space to make room for new energies, while also clearing your mind through meditation. Or maybe it's stocking your pantry with nourishing foods, as we discussed in our last video, while also feeding your soul with inspirational books or art. Imagine for a moment that the barrier between your current reality and your desired future is like a thin veil. During this hunter's moon, that veil becomes almost transparent, allowing you to see and reach for your aspirations more clearly than ever. What do you see on the other side of that veil? What dreams and goals become visible in this mystical moonlight? Now, let's delve deeper into the astrological significance of this hunter's moon and how it relates to our manifestation work. As we mentioned before, this moon falls in the fiery sign of Aries, igniting our inner warrior. But there's more to this cosmic picture. This hunter's moon is also a supermoon, appearing larger and brighter due to its closer proximity to Earth. Spiritually, this amplifies the moon's energy, making it an exceptionally powerful time for ritual and manifestation work. It's as if the universe is handing us a cosmic megaphone to amplify our intentions. Think about it this way. If your intentions are the music you want to play, this supermoon is like having a world-class amplifier at your disposal. Your spiritual sound can reach further, resonate more deeply, and create more powerful harmonies in the universe. But remember, with great power comes great responsibility. It's crucial to be clear and positive in your intentions, as their effects may be more far-reaching than usual. Adding another layer of significance is the numerology of the date, 10/17/2024. This reduces to the number 8 in numerology, associated with personal power, abundance, and the infinite cycle of energy in the universe. This 8 energy perfectly complements our manifestation work, supporting themes of empowerment and abundance. The number 8, when turned on its side, becomes the symbol for infinity. This is no coincidence. It represents the endless flow of energy, the cycle of giving and receiving, and the balance of material and spiritual worlds. As you work with the energy of this moon, visualize yourself as part of this infinite cycle. How can you open yourself to receive abundance? And equally important, how can you contribute to this cosmic flow? This powerful 8 energy interacts with the lunar cycle in fascinating ways. The moon's 28-day cycle, which reduces to 1 in numerology, combined with the 8 of the date, creates a 1.8 harmony, symbolizing new beginnings. 1. Supported by cosmic power. 8. It's as if the universe is offering us a supercharged starting point for our spiritual journeys. Your birth year number also plays a role in how you might experience this hunter's moon. To calculate your birth year number, add your birth month, day, and the current year, 2024, then reduce to a single digit. For example, if your birthday is May 15th, you would calculate 5 plus 1 plus 5 plus 2 plus 0 plus 2 plus 4 equals 19, which reduces to 1 plus 9 equals 10, further reducing to 1. Each year number interacts differently with the energy of this moon. Birth year 1, a powerful time for new spiritual beginnings. Birth year 2, focus on balancing your inner dualities. Birth year 3, express your spiritual insights creatively. Birth year 4, build a solid foundation for your spiritual practices. Birth year 5, embrace spiritual freedom and exploration. Birth year 6, nurture your spiritual connections with others. Birth year 7, deepen your spiritual wisdom and intuition. Birth year 8, align your spiritual and material worlds. Birth year 9, release old spiritual paradigms. Prepare for a new cycle. As you consider these numerological aspects, reflect on how they resonate with your current life situation. How can you align with the unique vibration of this hunter's moon to support your personal and spiritual growth? Given these powerful alignments, it's crucial that we approach our ritual work with clear intentions and a prepared space. Remember the importance of grounding practices we discussed? These become even more vital as we work with such potent energies. Before we move into the rituals, let's take a moment to ground ourselves. Close your eyes if you're in a safe place to do so. Imagine roots growing from the base of your spine, reaching deep into the earth. Feel the stable, nurturing energy of the earth rising up through these roots, balancing the high vibrational lunar energy we're about to work with. Take a deep breath in, drawing in this grounding energy, and exhale, releasing any tension or scattered thoughts. As we prepare to dive into our rituals, take a moment to reflect on the insights and emotions you've experienced since our last video. Have you noticed any shifts in your energy? Any recurring thoughts or dreams? These could be valuable clues guiding you towards what you need to focus on during these rituals. Now that we've explored the spiritual and astrological significance of this hunter's moon, you may be wondering, how can I work with this energy in a practical way? It's a great question, and it's possible some may dismiss lunar rituals as mere superstition or wishful thinking. But consider this. Throughout history, humans have used rituals as a way to focus their intentions and connect with something greater than themselves. Whether you view these practices as directly influencing external reality or as powerful psychological tools, their effects can be profound. These practices aren't about magical thinking, but rather about creating a focused space for introspection and intention setting. Even from a purely psychological perspective, this kind of mindful practice can be incredibly beneficial. Let's explore 3 rituals that will allow you to harness the potential of this supermoon. 1. The mindful manifestation meditation. Find a quiet space and get comfortable. Close your eyes and visualize the full moon above you, its light filling you with a sense of possibility. Now focus intently on bringing to mind something you want to manifest. It could be a goal, a feeling, or a change you want to see in your life. As you hold this intention, notice any doubts or fears that arise. Don't push them away. Acknowledge them. Thank them for trying to protect you, and gently let them go. Visualize your intention as a seed. See the moonlight nourishing this seed, helping it grow. As it grows, feel the emotions associated with achieving this intention. Really allow yourself to experience the joy, pride, or peace it brings. This practice helps align your subconscious mind with your conscious desires, setting the stage for inspired action. 2. The reflection and release ritual. For this, you'll need a journal and a pen. In the light of the moon, or a candle if the moon isn't visible, write down what you want to release. These could be limiting beliefs, past regrets, or outdated patterns. Instead of burning the paper, we're going to transform it. On the other side of the page, rewrite each item you want to release as a positive affirmation or lesson learned. For example, if you wrote, "I'm afraid of failure," you might transform it to, "Every experience is an opportunity for growth." This process acknowledges that our challenges often hold valuable lessons and helps reframe our perspective. 3. The intentional action plan. While setting intentions is powerful, it's equally important to take aligned action. Create a simple action plan for the lunar cycle ahead. What small, concrete steps can you take towards your goals? Write these down and place them somewhere visible. Each day, choose one action to focus on. This practice bridges the gap between spiritual intention and practical reality. Some may wonder, what if nothing changes after doing these rituals? Remember, transformation is often subtle and gradual. The real power lies not in the rituals themselves, but in the changes they inspire in your thoughts and actions. Stay open, stay consistent in your efforts, and you may be surprised at the shifts you notice over time. 4. Creating moon water for manifestation. Our fourth ritual involves creating moon water for manifestation. Place a glass jar of water under the moonlight, infusing it with your intentions for growth and manifestation. As you set out the water, hold your hands over it and visualize your intentions flowing from your heart, through your hands, and into the water. You might choose to enhance this water with herbs or crystals that align with your intentions. For example, rose petals for love, mint for prosperity, or clear quartz for amplifying energy. Remember, the power lies not in the objects themselves, but in the intention you imbue them with. In the morning, you can use this charged water in various ways. Drink it to internalize your intentions. Use it to water plants representing your goals, or sprinkle it around your space to raise its vibration. Each time you use the moon water, take a moment to reconnect with the intentions you set under the hunter's moon. As we conclude our lunar rituals, it's important to ground ourselves and integrate the energy we've worked with. Remember the rooting visualization we practiced earlier. Use that technique now, feeling the stable, nurturing energy of the earth rising up through these roots, balancing the high vibrational lunar energy you've been working with. In the days following the hunter's moon, pay close attention to signs, synchronicities, and opportunities that align with your intentions. The universe often responds to our ritual work in subtle ways, so stay open and aware. This might manifest as a chance encounter that opens a new door, an unexpected idea that solves a problem, or a sudden clarity about a decision you've been struggling with. Lastly, continue with the journaling practice we started in our previous video. Each day, take a few minutes to write about any insights, emotions, or events that seem significant. This practice not only helps you stay connected to your intentions, but also deepens your understanding of how you personally interact with lunar energies. You might structure your journaling practice like this. 1. Gratitude. Note 3 things you're grateful for, aligning yourself with the abundance of the universe. 2. Intentions. Reaffirm the intentions you set during the hunter's moon rituals. 3. Observations. Record any signs, synchronicities, or shifts you've noticed. 4. Reflections. Consider how you're feeling and what you're learning through this process. Remember, the hunter's moon of 2024 is more than just a celestial event. It's a powerful catalyst for personal transformation and manifestation. Trust in the process, stay aligned with your highest self, and watch as the universe conspires to bring your dreams into reality. This doesn't mean sitting back passively, but rather remaining actively engaged with your intentions, while being open to the ways the universe might bring them to fruition. As this potent lunar energy continues to work its magic in your life, stay curious about the mysteries of the cosmos and your place within it. Remember, you are not separate from these cosmic forces, but an integral part of them. Your actions, thoughts, and intentions ripple out into the universe, co-creating your reality. In our next video, we'll explore how to unleash your inner warrior during this hunter's moon, building on the Aries energy we discussed earlier. Until then, may the light of the moon guide your way and illuminate the path to your highest potential. Keep embracing your inner warrior. Stay mindful of the digital world's influence we discussed in our previous video, and continue to cultivate that unshakable self-belief. Your journey to a better life is unfolding with each lunar cycle. Remember, the path of spiritual growth and manifestation is not always smooth or straightforward. There may be challenges or setbacks along the way, but like the moon itself, which goes through phases of darkness before returning to fullness, trust that these are all part of your journey of growth and transformation. Stay curious, stay open, and keep reaching for the stars. The universe is conspiring in your favor, and with the power of this hunter's moon, you're more equipped than ever to co-create the life you desire. Until next time, keep your eyes on the moon and your heart open to the magic that surrounds you every day.